Hey, what's up, guys? This is the 2012 Verde Ferry bike. I have stock bars, stock grips, or not stock grips, caulk grips, um, regular brake lever, stock stem, stock forks. I have 777 cinema rims with a sealed female axle. I don't know if you can see that, but all right. The frame stock, seat posts, and the seat are duo pivotal, um, dual pedals, sealed mid with a Odyssey Burlington sprocket 25 tooth, KMC chain, stock cranks. Um, Same rim as the front, sealed, female, clear Odyssey brake pads, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and a hub sound. Let me see if I can do this. Put that right there for a second. It's not loud. I don't like my hubs loud. I don't see the big deal if it's loud or quiet or what. So, yep, that's it.